I took him in for one of these, he was still having this cough. I took him into the doctor, and she noticed that I kept holding his head up.
Christian was just 5 months old at the time. His mom, Beth LeDuc, eventually says the cough went away, but that visit to the doctor triggered a series of genetic tests recommended for Christian.
So I know you can share kind of the facts now, but I wonder just what you felt finding this out. Do you remember?
I do. I remember very specifically when the genetic testing came back and I saw the word leukodystrophy.
Leukodystrophy is a neurological disease. It causes disruption to the signals between the nerve cells and the brain. It also causes difficulty with movement and speech. Dr. Adeline Vandiver of the Leukodystrophy Center of Excellence at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, which provided this video, says there are dozens of types.
One type is type 4A-associated leukodystrophy.
That's the type Christian has. When Beth saw the diagnosis,
and I started to panic because I had Googled leukodystrophy, and don't Google it. It's not something you want to Google.
Eventually, along with her treatment team, Beth turned that panic into promoting awareness of the need for a cure. Now the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia and the UK biotech company called Synaptics Bio are one step closer to finding it.
One of the directors that is within the company actually has a child with type 4A leukodystrophy.
The two are now in the process of developing the world's first drug that in lab research appears to stop a protein linked to the illness in its tracks.
When there's a protein that's not doing its job properly, in some cases, if you just take that protein away, the rest of the cell will compensate.
Soon, they hope to launch the first human clinical trial. If the drug works, it would stop the illness from ever developing as soon as it's identified in the body.
It will be an injection straight into the spinal fluid. It's the easiest way to make sure that it goes into the right area and gets to the parts that are requiring the drug.
For Beth and Christian, it's a dream come true.
You can take something that is a challenging situation and be a part of making a difference, hopefully, for us, right? But also for others.
No word on how soon we may have early results from this trial, but Christian's family simply saying they are grateful to those sharing this kind of hope. I'm medical reporter Liz Bonus. Back to you.
From breaking news to feel-good stories, Local 12 has it all. Tap subscribe and hit the links to find out more.